Introducing the remarkable Evolution Edition of the 1970 Dodge Charger, meticulously crafted by the Speed Core team, destined to mesmerize spectators at the renowned SEMA show. What makes this beauty truly exceptional is its carbon fiber body, meticulously constructed with utmost precision. Interestingly, rather than simply tuning an existing model, the team took a different approach by designing an original steel frame to safeguard the delicate carbon fiber exterior. To ensure its longevity, the body is coated with a transparent protective layer, preserving its impeccable shine. Safety is of paramount importance, and the car boasts an impressive 14-point safety system, meticulously engineered to guarantee the driver's well-being. Collaborating closely with Brembo engineers, the braking system of the vehicle has been fine-tuned to perfection. Underneath the hood lies a V8 engine sourced from the prestigious Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. Through careful modifications, this powerhouse now roars with an astounding 979 horsepower, truly a force to be reckoned with. Weighing in at approximately 1.4 tons and boasting rear-wheel drive, taming this beast may prove to be a formidable challenge, especially with a manual gearbox. This extraordinary piece of automotive art comes with a price tag of $400,000, as revealed by certain leaked information circulating online. Unveiling the formidable black Kevlar 6x6 with custom red interior, an extraordinary creation that seems to have emerged straight out of the depths of apocalyptic tales. According to the visionary minds at this renowned custom shop, there exist 6 legendary trucks of the apocalypse, and this awe-inspiring creation is one of them, aptly named Hellfire. Prepare to be mesmerized by the sheer power that lies within these colossal machines. Depending on your desired level of ferocity, you can select an engine ranging from 460 to an astonishing 750 horsepower, ensuring an unrivaled driving experience. Stepping into the interior, you'll be greeted by a luxurious 12-inch screen, exquisitely adorned with leather trim on the doors and headliner. The customized carbon fiber steering wheel adds a touch of sophistication, while electrically operated running boards facilitate effortless entry and exit. Additional LED lighting illuminates the path ahead, while a cutting-edge night vision system ensures unparalleled visibility in the darkest of nights. These legendary trucks of the apocalypse carry a weight that matches their stature, ranging from 3.1 to 4.5 tons, solidifying their indomitable presence on the road. However, as one might expect, such unparalleled craftsmanship comes with a price. With a starting price of $155,000, these vehicles stand as a testament to their exclusivity. Nevertheless, the demand for these remarkable machines transcends geographical borders, with buyers from all corners of the world eagerly seeking to claim their own slice of automotive excellence. The custom shop proudly boasts their global reach, having already shipped their 6-wheel beauties to destinations as diverse as Mexico, India, Cambodia, and New Zealand. According to one of the Can-Am Spyder F3 trike sellers, its striking design and meticulous craftsmanship are the standout qualities of this model. Straight off the factory line, this trike showcases an array of impressive features that captivate the senses. Among them is a 7.8-inch LCD screen, complemented by BRP audio for an immersive riding experience. With a full tank, it can cover an approximate range of 406 kilometers, thanks to the powerful 105 horsepower Rotax engine seamlessly paired with a semi-automatic gearbox. But what about personalization options? A seasoned expert in the field reveals that the Can-Am Spyder F3 leaves room for enhancements. Enthusiasts have the opportunity to augment their ride with upgrades such as Elka shock absorbers, which elevate the trike's performance and provide a smoother journey. LED lighting adds a touch of modernity and enhanced visibility, while an air intake placed strategically on the hood ensures optimal engine performance. Moreover, the addition of splitters underneath effectively manages airflow and enhances stability. To optimize rider comfort, magnetic foot pegs have been incorporated into the design, offering a secure and adjustable positioning. The ECU reflash has also been performed, resulting in an enhanced and more invigorating sound experience that adds to the overall thrill of the trike. Introducing the awe-inspiring F450 Limited with its astounding 12-inch Stryker lift and colossal 42 wheels, this Ford beast has elevated itself to unprecedented heights, quite literally. Thanks to the innovative Stryker kit, which has been meticulously incorporated into its design, this mighty F450 now stands an additional 30 centimeters taller, commanding attention wherever it goes. To match its towering stature, the masters behind this transformation have outfitted the vehicle with remarkable 26-inch wheels sourced from the prestigious American Force Liberty collection. Paired with the mammoth 42-inch Toyo tires, this combination alone comes at a price tag of approximately $10,000. And that's not all, the ensemble also includes additional components such as the rugged road armor bumpers, further enhancing its imposing presence. A staggering 25 hours of skilled labor is dedicated to installing these modifications, a testament to the meticulous craftsmanship involved. However, the astonishing results are unquestionably worth every effort. The masterminds behind this creation proudly proclaim that their drive shafts surpass the reliability of standard models, setting new standards of excellence. Such is the allure of this behemoth that even those with a penchant for sports cars have had a change of heart, longing for the experience of maneuvering this colossal pickup. It's easy to understand the appeal, as piloting this mammoth grants you a whole new perspective, quite literally allowing you to gaze down upon the rest, marking your dominance on the road. Let's delve into yet another legendary vehicle from the renowned brand, Ford. Introducing the Ford 1932, a name synonymous with automotive excellence. This iconic designation encompasses three distinct models that were introduced as successors to the Model A, the Model 4, Model 18, and Model B. Remarkably, many of these timeless automobiles still grace the roads to this day, a testament to their enduring appeal. The Ford 1932 holds a special place in the hearts of car enthusiasts, as it is often regarded as a cornerstone of the hot rod culture. These vehicles, like fine wine, have only grown more valuable with the passage of time. The preserved examples of the Ford 1932 have become highly sought after, commanding prices that surpass the imagination. While the Model B was originally available for a modest $485, today its value exceeds a staggering $100,000, a testament to its exceptional craftsmanship and historical significance. Thanks to the skills of seasoned mechanics and the dedication of passionate owners, these revered old-timers continue to captivate audiences not only at prestigious exhibitions but also on adrenaline-filled racetracks. The Ford 1932 stands as a shining symbol of automotive heritage, reminding us of the timeless allure and enduring legacy of this extraordinary brand. Rev up your engines, motorcycle enthusiasts, as an exhilarating sight awaits you on your screens. Behold the magnificent Harley-Davidson V-Roid, a true spectacle of tuning brilliance. Originally released in 2013, this motorcycle was already a force to be reckoned with, boasting a formidable 1,250 cubic centimeters engine that delivers an impressive 125 horsepower. Its standard 18-inch front and 19-inch rear wheels further add to its allure, making it a sight to behold on any road. However, for the tuning connoisseurs, leaving it in its original state simply wasn't an option. They embarked on a transformation that would seamlessly fit in Batman's legendary garage, giving birth to a masterpiece that transcends the boundaries of ordinary customization. Brace yourself for a list of upgrades that will leave you in awe. Custom rims, featuring Monster V rubber in the rear and metal rubber in the front, enhance both performance and aesthetics. A ceramic-coated exhaust system unleashes the machine's true potential, while custom mirrors, foot pegs, and a striking tank cover add the perfect touch of personalization. Upgraded LED lighting ensures a captivating presence, illuminating the road ahead in style. For those who find themselves inspired by this awe-inspiring transformation, there is incredible news. You can now order the very same parts that caught your eye, with convenient worldwide delivery available. The possibilities are boundless, allowing you to infuse your own motorcycle with the essence of this remarkable tuning masterpiece. Prepare to be captivated by a stunning artistic creation crafted by visionary Norwegian designers, as they present their breathtaking interpretation of the Mazda MX-5, also known as the revered Miata among automotive enthusiasts. This iconic Japanese car made its grand entrance onto the scene back in 1989 and has since amassed an impressive list of accolades. In fact, it holds the prestigious title of being recognized by the Guinness Book of Records as the world's best-selling two-seater car, a testament to its unrivaled popularity. Consistently stealing the spotlight at car shows and earning top rankings in renowned automotive publications, the Mazda MX-5 has continually proven its worth. Even in its initial generation, this remarkable machine boasted notable features such as a 116 horsepower engine, retractable headlights, and an aerodynamic drag coefficient of 0.38, a figure that closely rivals the esteemed Ferrari F50. The Norwegian designer's interpretation of this automotive masterpiece not only delivers a feast for the eyes, but it also holds the potential for practical benefits. Perhaps, someone with a discerning taste may be inspired to transform this aggressive and captivating wide-body virtual model into a tangible reality, embarking on their very own custom project. The allure of such a creation is undeniable, offering a harmonious blend of aesthetics and functionality that captures the imagination. Polaris, the renowned American company, has ingeniously blended the realms of automobiles and motorcycles through their extraordinary creation, the Slingshot. This unique trike embodies power and exhilaration with its base model featuring a formidable 178 horsepower engine, capable of propelling it to thrilling speeds of up to 200 km per hour. However, for a select group of enthusiasts, this level of performance simply did not suffice. Driven by a passion to push boundaries, a team of skilled craftsmen at a custom shop embarked on a mission to create the most awe-inspiring slingshot ever conceived. Their modifications took this remarkable trike to unparalleled heights of madness and innovation. Among their audacious changes was the decision to expose the magnificent engine, which they believed was far too stunning to conceal. Furthermore, they fearlessly added an extra wheel at the rear, transforming the slingshot into an even more striking spectacle. For those captivated by this daring vision, Polaris offers a conversion kit that unlocks a realm of possibilities. Inspired by the precision and performance of Formula One technology, the kit includes an independent rear suspension, akin to that found in the world of motorsport. Disc brakes, 408 kg springs, and comprehensive support for factory options such as cruise control and ABS further augment the extraordinary capabilities of this transformed slingshot. These collective enhancements culminate in a mind-boggling final engine output of 550 horsepower, a figure that is both impressive and, perhaps, even intimidating in its sheer magnitude. Let's explore a truck that truly raises the stakes, with a price tag that can reach a staggering $200,000. This extraordinary project is built upon the robust Freightliner M2112 chassis, providing a solid foundation for exceptional performance. When it comes to power, the SportChassis LH7 Offshore Edition offers a range of options, allowing you to choose between a 375, 450, or 505 horsepower engine, ensuring that it delivers the force you desire. Enhancements abound in this remarkable machine, starting with an increased fuel capacity ranging from 378 to 566 liters, granting you the freedom to venture further on your journeys. The inclusion of a high-quality kicker sound system, boasting 10 speakers, immerses you in an unparalleled audio experience. Step into the plush interior, and you'll find a world of comfort awaits you. Luxurious leather wraps around the seats, with the front seats equipped with heating functionality, ensuring a cozy ride in any weather. The rear seat boasts electric transformability, offering versatile seating configurations to accommodate your needs. The Kenwood stereo and navigation system, complete with a user-friendly touchscreen, guides you on your travels, while a rear-view system, equipped with 2 cameras, enhances safety and situational awareness. This brief list of features merely scratches the surface, as countless upgrades are available to cater to your unique preferences and requirements. For those willing to invest, the payload capacity of one version reaches an impressive 6.2 tons, with overall dimensions measuring 7 meters in length and 2.5 meters in width. It's an automotive marvel that combines power, luxury, and versatility, creating an experience that's truly unparalleled. Introducing the captivating Shelby Cobra SUV concept, a revolutionary creation that adds an extra layer of intrigue to the already captivating Shelby Cobra, also known as the AC Cobra. The original generation of this remarkable vehicle surprised the automotive world with its unique blend of British style, compact design, and the raw power of a Ford V8 engine. Even today, this iconic car continues to captivate the hearts of car enthusiasts, and it's no wonder that concepts crafted with the aid of artificial intelligence would also pique the interest of potential buyers. However, it remains to be seen whether the manufacturer will seriously consider bringing these visionary concepts to life. On the other hand, we have the esteemed brand, Jeep, renowned for its legendary status in the automotive industry. The Jeep Wrangler, in particular, has earned a well-deserved reputation as one of the most successful and iconic representatives in its class. This beloved model has become a favorite canvas for customization in various car shops, offering customers an extensive range of upgrades to enhance their driving experience. From state-of-the-art audio systems and customized headlights to improved damping, a new exhaust system, and even a sturdier roof, the possibilities for personalization are virtually limitless. Both the Shelby Cobra SUV concept and the Jeep Wrangler exemplify the spirit of innovation and personalization that continues to drive the automotive world forward. These extraordinary vehicles embody the fusion of cutting-edge technology, timeless design, and the boundless creativity of automotive enthusiasts.